we're going to show you slime. We're going to build slime. First, add the water in this plate. Okay? Add it. All of it.
How much water is that? Half a cup?
Now we're going to get all of this. All of it. Oh, look at that. It's going to get a little bit messy later. Look at all that goo. It's flowing down. Oh, yeah. Ah. So much goo. Ah. So much. Where am I going? There's so much. I can't even get out everything. That's all of it. See? Now, I'm going to add the food coloring. Get it? Just open this. Just a little bit. That's about enough.
Okay.
Now, we're going to add this borax. Half a cup.
1 teaspoon full.
1 teaspoon, that's full. All.
Make sure it's full, not half.
I'm going to mix it in here. Put this back in, mix it. Mix it until it's
It dissolves.
until it's soft
Mm-hmm.
and until it's white too.
Mm-hmm.
There's the layer. Get that to mix really well until you don't see any sugar.
Is that a sugar or borax?
Borax. Mix it until you don't see any borax in it. So you don't see any like white ink in there. Is it soft yet? Nope. It's still water. Don't think about it too much. Is this enough? Is it enough?
I think so.
Let's check. It feels like a little bit goo. Look in there.
It's already dissolved. Okay. You think so? It's ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
Okay.
Now put it in here.
Yeah.
Dump it. All of it. And then mix it with this guy. It's gonna be red food coloring. Oh, look at that goo. You're gonna have to do it with your hands here. Oh, look at that goo. Huh. My God. Ooh. Okay, now I'm gonna start with my hands. This is gonna get a little bit messy. My hands are not that dirty though.
How does it feel?
It feels like a little bit soft. And it's kind of like slipping off my hands. Oh. It's not really red. It all dropped in there. I'm gonna get the tablespoon and mix it again. It's okay if it spills, you can always wipe it. Get the food color on there. Ah, it's fine. Oh. Ah. Look how fat that is. Ah.
Can you stretch it?
It's sticking onto my hands. Oh no, it's sticking onto my hands. Look how stretchy. Oh, it could stretch for a long time. Woo! Ah, bye. I'm gonna stretch it out. Ah, it didn't break.